Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashani Mfuko here, and in today's video, I'm giving you a behind the scenes look into my home office space. So keep watching and don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Let's go. All right guys, so welcome to my home office. Welcome. So the theme and the color scheme for my home office space is gold with pink and magenta. Magenta is my favorite color. It's one of my brand colors. So it's the magenta with the gold and white and black accent. So you're gonna see that all throughout the space. You see it in my lovely chair here. I love this chair. Love this chair. So most of the artwork that you'll see on the walls, and I'll give you a better view of it in the video, but most of the artwork I got from Target and from Home Goods. That's where most of this stuff is from, okay? It may look super duper extra chic, but most of it is from Target or Home Goods. Now, this beautiful, luscious pink velvet chair, which is on wheels, so I can easily move around, if I need to. This chair was from Home Goods. It's awesome. I have had my office space like this now for at least 2 or 3 years, so it's been a while, but I love it. It is my haven. It is my secret place that I come to implement all of my best strategies and ideas for my business. It's actually in our guest room for now. It's about to be moved. That's another story for another video, but right now it's in our guest room. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things. I'm going to give you my desk view in a second, but I wanted to show you a couple of important things. One is my journal. Okay, this is the Success Journal from Dr. Stacia Pierce. She is absolutely incredible as a business coach, entrepreneur, everything. And I use her Success Journal, and I write in my journal every single day. You want to manifest your desires, you got to be journaling. She has a lot of different like accessories or things that go along with her journaling system. This is a notepad. Everything is like beautiful branding, and everything has my favorite colors. It has the magenta with the white and black, and it's just all really pretty. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm all about the pretty. I like to create beautiful spaces, and I like to create beautiful experiences for people, and I just like to add more beauty to the world. So everything that is basically around me or connected with me has some level of beauty to it, okay? One more thing. I'm all about like affirmations and journaling and, positive thinking, but using obviously the power that you have within you that comes from God, that comes from the word, and using that to help you to manifest your desires. It's very important to write things down. So she has these goal cards. I don't know if you can see that. I'll give you a closer view in a moment, but they're called Success Attraction Goal Cards. And you write your name, you write your goal, you write when you're going to accomplish the goal by, and then you also write a daily affirmation for that goal. Again, it's all about writing things down. If you want to manifest something, if you want to bring your goals to life, if you want to change your life, you got to write things down, okay? And then after you write it down, you have to speak life, right? The Bible tells us the power of life and death is in the what? The tongue, right? So you have to speak life. That's why you do your daily affirmations. I read my scriptures and I speak it out. I speak what I want to experience. I write it down, I speak it out, and then I get to work. All right. So that's just giving you an idea of like the feeling of this home office. It's beautiful to look at, but there's also a lot of intention behind it, and I'm all about using the power of your mind and your words and writing things down to manifest your desires. Hey guys, welcome to my desk. This is where the magic happens, where I get my best ideas and basically grow my business. This is also where I record a lot of the videos that you see me in on social media. If you watch my Facebook videos, my Instagram, even some of my TikTok videos, they all happen right here. So let me just let you know what's happening here. So keeping in that theme again with the white, the gold, and the magenta. Showed you my journal. That is basically the color scheme. Even guys, even my lipstick. Even my lipstick is magenta. Okay. So anyway, again, a lot of these accessories came from Home Goods and Target. So I just want to show you what I have happening here. This beautiful gold lamp has like that pineapple theme to it. This is from Target. And then I actually have this lovely gold pineapple. Fabulous. I got that from Home Goods. I have this lovely piece here that says Dream. I don't know if you can see that. I got that from Home Goods. This book my husband gave to me. This is a pocket Michelle Obama wisdom book. It's super cute. And it just happens to go with my decor. My husband, I'm telling you, he's smart. He knows what I like. And then I have my initials in these lovely gold letters. I got those from Home Goods. This gold organizer here that's like for pens and, you know, papers and things. This is also from Home Goods. And then I have these little candle holders, right? These I got at the dollar store, y'all. These are from Dollar Tree, but how cute are they? I was like, oh, this goes with my decor. They need to be up in here. And then I have some more candle holders. Just the little details, guys, that make a big difference. And of course, I am gonna talk to you about my desk in a second. I got this lovely set right here from Home Goods. It's basically like paper clips and push pins and all that kind of stuff, but they're gold and they're fabulous, and that's what I like. Then I have this sign that I love. It says, I'm kind of a big deal. I'm kind of a big deal. You gotta speak those positive affirmations over yourself, okay? And then I love this sign here, Boss Lady, because y'all know who's the boss? I'm the boss. So I have that. I also have, which I really love, this is a tape dispenser. It looks like a heel, a stiletto heel, platform, something. But it's actually a tape dispenser, and I got this at Staples years ago. Who knows if they even still have this. And then I have some faux flowers, a faux flower arrangement. I have trouble keeping flowers and plants alive. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do have some trouble with that. Besides that, oh, and I have a little microphone. So when I do interviews and podcasts and videos and stuff, I use this microphone from time to time. And then most importantly out of everything here is my beautiful desk. My beautiful desk. This is a faux white marble desk, and I got this desk at Home Goods. It has gold legs. But I'm going to give you the whole view after this, but it is stunning. I love everything white marble. I love everything white marble with gold. It's my obsession. I absolutely love this desk. I think it makes a statement. I think it grounds the space and just helps to make it more glamorous. And I like glamorous, okay? So this is basically it, guys. You know, I have a little pillow over here. Let me just show you this little throw pillow. My kids like to come in here and, you know, cop a squat on the floor next to me while I work. I also have an obsession with leopard print, so you'll see that a lot. If you watch my videos, I'm always wearing leopard print something. It's kind of a problem. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's kind of a problem, but I love it. I love leopard print. So you'll see, you know, those accents also. It's my wall of art and inspiration. It's my beautiful space that just really speaks to me and like what my brand is all about. It's all about that luxurious experience. It's all about creating beautiful experiences, beautiful spaces, places, things. And that's what I love. And that's what I love. And that's what I like to share with you. So thank you for watching my home office tour video. And And stay tuned because this is all about to change. So look out for a new home office video from me coming your way very soon. Like this video, make sure you like it, make sure you share it, and make sure you subscribe.